Good morning. My name is David Esaú Carvajal López from the Universidad Autónoma Metropolitana, and I will be presenting the work titled Turbulence Analysis in Tanks by Modifying Geometry and the Number of Injectors. The aim of this study was to enhance mixing in a horizontal cylindrical water tank through air injection. The geometry investigated was a horizontal cylinder with a turbulence generating baffle plate placed at its center. The place angle varied from 0 degrees to 45 degrees to identify the optimal configuration. Once the best angle was established, the number of air injectors was increased to 3, 9, and 15 in order to intensify the flow along the tank. The system was modeled with 3D CFD air entered at 0.2 meters per second. The outlet was set to atmospheric pressure and no slip boundary conditions were applied to the walls, baffles, and plate. Two simulation stages were carried out. 1. Determining the optimal plate angle. 2. Selecting the number of injectors with the plate fixed at that optimal angle. Figure 1 shows that turbulence peaked at 0 degrees plate angle, reaching a maximum of 53.41 times 10 to the minus 6 square meters per second squared, and an average of 13 1 times 10 to the minus 6 square meters per second squared. On the left, the velocity field reveals well-developed vortices which are essential for efficient mixing. Figure 2 indicates that increasing injectors from 3 to 9 raised the average velocity by 77% from 0.013 meters per second to 0.24 meters per second. Adding up to 15 injectors provide only an additional 17% gain, highlighting diminishing returns. The velocity field with 9 injectors exhibits homogeneous flow across the entire section. Key findings: a 0-degree plate angle generated the highest turbulence and velocity. 9 injectors offer the best balance between performance and energy cost. These results are valuable for optimizing industrial mixers and water treatment systems. Thank you for your attention, and thanks to the ASEX 2025 for this opportunity.